Final Requirements in Elective 2, Gender and Society, presented by Lumabe Melson and Sheena Mark Sheen, BAT 134. My Brother Peculiar Chicken by Alejandro Roses. Characters: Father, Mother, Alejandro, Kiko, Village Chief, and Mr. Cruz. Settings: when, early morning, and where, cornfield. What are the problems? They can't identify the gender of the chicken. The brothers argue because they fight for different perspective. Many people were involved because of the dispute between the two brothers. What are the possible solutions the characters tried? When they asked for help from a poultry expert and only if they agreed to study it. Observing the movement and behavior of the chicken as well as its physical appearance. And they tried to fight it in the cockpit.
Among the solutions, given them the clear answer. The possible solution is that the chicken.
Among the solutions, which one has given them the almost near answer? The possible solution is that they brought the chicken to Mr. Cruz and had them examine it, but they didn't do it because they didn't want the chicken to die. Are your emotion while reading the story? While reading the story, I was taken aback and laughed aloud because as they determined the gender of chicken, it made me realize that on sometimes I truly struggle to determine the gender of either humans or animals based only on their outward appearance. What do you think the story illustrates? It illustrates themes of perceptions versus reality, cultural differences, and the importance of understanding and accepting any weakness. The story uses humor and absurdity to convey deeper messages about how people perceive and interact with the world around them. Traditionally, in the story, how do you think Filipinos identify one's gender? Behavior. It is based on actions and behavior, such as how he speaks and how he dresses to express his gender. Physical. In Filipino culture, the external appearance or physical condition of a person is looked at to determine their gender. Name. It is customary for Filipinos to know the gender of a person by their right name. There is a name that is only for boys and there is a name that is only for girls. What are the other topics in gender and society? The story talks about gender and society. Besides gender and society, the story touches on themes of tradition, family, dynamics, and the concept of masculinity. It explores how societal expectations can influence individuals and their relationships. Gender roles. The story may touch upon traditional gender roles within the Filipino culture and how they influence the characters' behaviors and interactions. Gender stereotypes. The story may address gender stereotypes and how they impact the characters' lives and decisions. Your personal thoughts about the story. Number one, your brother's peculiar chicken sounds like the start of an intriguing tale. Peculiar animals often come with peculiar adventures. Number two, I wonder what makes the chicken peculiar. It is its appearance, behavior, or perhaps its extraordinary ability. And number three, Family stories like this often hold a special place in our hearts, sparking curiosity and creating lasting memories. Number four, the story could explore themes of iniquitous and acceptance as your brother navigates the challenges and joys of having such an unconventional pet. And lastly, it's fascinating how a seemingly ordinary animal can become the center of attention and bring unexpected excitement to everyday life. And dun lang po nagtatapos. Thank you po.